We are starting the week, so let's see something how we can take advantage of this massive crash of CrowdStrike. Look at this, just a few days ago 376, today 265, more than 100 points. What is this, 35% down? So we're gonna go to Market Chameleon and exploit this with specific trade. We're gonna see what they have to say about CrowdStrike. So let's get to it. And of course, quick disclaimer, read all about it. Note that this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Let's go over Market Chameleon, see CrowdStrike, specific trade ideas, and see what else Market Chameleon has in store for us for the beginning of the week. So let's go. So we got basically when you search, once you sign up, and if you're not a member, 7 days in the description below, okay? But once you sign up and you go to the alerts right here, the alerts tab, you got all this stuff. And I saw something very nice. You see, crowd overpriced iron condor spread has 101% yield potential because of all this. So let's click on it. And because of all this like crazy volatility that happened with the cybersecurity, now I'm not gonna touch what happened, how it happened, but I want to see how to take advantage of this. And if you see, this one gives you so many alerts. You just check this, I don't know, once or twice a day. You got all your favorite. There's another one, CrowdStrike Bearish calendar put spread 306% upside. We might check this as well, but let's start with this one. It tells you CrowdStrike overpriced iron condor spread as 101% yield potential. I'm doing this slide. I haven't done it. I'm just checking what it is. So it tells you basically the August 9 expiration. And if you click here just to view the strategy, okay, and also it tells you all the stuff in here. So click on view the strategy, and then we're gonna go and check the other strategy. This is interesting. So basically you sell, we are now at 265, run analysis, but basically you sell the put 255 and you buy the 240, and you sell the 285 and you buy the 300. So that's $1,500 out of pocket minus your income. Let's see what we got. You got an income of $675, almost $700. That's interesting. Compared to $440 is what you should have got. This is quite crazy margin. Okay, and here we go. And let's see, and this is the, so you lose 800, you make 700, pretty interesting. And let's see all this. Look at this. Distance to max loss, negative 10% or positive 12%. We're gonna check a few more other trade ideas on CrowdStrike, but this is something to consider if you wanna do condor. Max loss is if they go below 240 or above 300 by expiration, and if they don't move because they went down like, I don't know, 40% or something next couple of days, once they chill out, if they don't go anywhere, your max yield is 81.8%. okay, this is interesting. Currently at 267, your break even is 248 or 291. So eventually someone will start buying the stock, or the selling will stop. I don't know. That's just a possibility. So this is one trade ideas. And if you go here, again, let's go back to the alerts. This is not even the option trade ideas. This is just from the alert. So let's check the second one that I saw, which is right here. CrowdStrike. Look at this. Bearish calendar put spread 306% upside. Let's click. And it tells you to sell the August 9 240 put, expire in 14 days, and buy the August 23 2 weeks later, expire in 24 days. We're gonna click to view. Okay, potential profit 306%. You pay 225 compared to 350. Let's click and see what we got. We got a 34% discount. This is the trade basically. So you sell the 240 put and you buy the 240 put. Same thing, just the calendar. This one is for August 9 and this one, and you buy the August 23. Interesting. Okay, now I assume you either have Robinhood, where you have 100 CrowdStrike, or you have Tastyworks, Thinkorswim, and all the others with level 3 option that you can sell the naked stuff. Okay, run analysis. Let's see what we got. And you're paying, look at this, you're paying a debit of 235. Interesting. There's historical edge. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so the payout diagram, we are currently here, and you assume it will keep going down a little more by expiration, where you make your max profit of almost $900. And if they correct a little, then your max loss is like 200. That's crazy. You're risking like $200 to make 800, and the max profit is at 240. I don't know if it maybe. I mean, we are at 260 now. That's 10%. But if it keeps going down just a little bit, you're gonna keep going into the profit zone. So that's another trade to consider. Let's see if there's anything on CrowdStrike. Then we're gonna go to the trade ideas right on Market Chameleon. CrowdStrike option market expected 11.1% move in 30 days, premium in 93 percentile. Look at this, that's crazy. So there's a lot of trades for CrowdStrike are currently pricing 11.1% move in either direction for the next 30 days. Interesting. So you're gonna click here, and this can go from the trade idea page, but just click on CrowdStrike or search CrowdStrike in here, okay? And you see the price to 267, down another 12% today, and it tells you all those data. And if we go here, this is what I want to show you. So you got the alert again. You got the alert where you can scroll and see all the alerts on all your favorite stocks, but also you can search or go to trade ideas and get to more options. So if I search CrowdStrike and I search change the strategy to any, we got a couple of options. I want to see something that is like wide from out of the money. This is a 260, 265. This is something that I could consider. So this one is for August 9, which is about 3 weeks from now. You sell the 290 calls and you buy the 295 calls, and look at this, almost double the income. And the beauty of Market Chameleon, if you don't know already, it doesn't tell you where the price will go. It just tells you how much this option, like they found you option that is basically cheaper to buy or sell based on history. So here you're getting a credit of $95. Let's do, for example, if you do a limit of 1, you collect $100 compared to $49 is what you should have collected in the past. You got 89% chance of a win rate, 11.3% edge. This is something interesting. I'm gonna check this out in a minute, but I want to see if there's anything else. Long is a little too expensive in my taste, 3,500 compared to 3,800. Okay, and this is for next week, all for 260. So this is something that I might consider for my own portfolio. But when you click on the report, you see exactly what's going on here. So you sell the 290 call and you buy the 295 call, and your for August 9, and your goal is for CrowdStrike not to go above 295 is your max loss. But if they stay under 290, even if they close 289.99, you make a max profit of $100, 95 credit. And it tells you here, fast bearish crossover technical. This is a new thing. Moving average are all crossed in a bullish option, but the current stock price drop in a bearish crossover before moving average catch up. Can be early sign of trend reversal or a pullback testing uptrend. And it tells you, like, if all things considered with before the blackout, that between now and August 9, they basically average of a plus 0.9% return. But this is based on history, so who knows? So that's something to consider. And if you look at the profit diagram, we are right here, and you're starting to lose money only if it goes back to 290. So it needs to correct everything that they lost today. Could it happen? Sure. But based on history and based on this trade, you got a fair chance of, I think, 80 something, 90%. We're going to see in a second. It tells you the break even is 290.95, which is 9% from here to the upside. Okay. And your max loss is $400. So you're risking 400 to collect 100, assuming this will not correct 10% to the upside in the next 3 weeks. Tells you all the details. 89% chance that you will win this trade. takeaway, theoretical, things to consider. Feel free to read all about it. And this is the trade, bear call spread on CrowdStrike. We got you collect, again, the beauty of Market Chameleon, you collect more than what you should have based on history. It doesn't mean it won't go to 290. It just means that if it does, and you took this trade randomly or Robinhood or something, you would collect only $50 compared to $100, $95 that you are getting right now. That's the trade for August 9. Sell the 290 call, buy the 295 call. That's the call spread. This was valuable. 7 days. Link in the description for Market Chameleon. Found CrowdStrike and other trade ideas. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.